Assalamualaikum. Okay, so Nor ada satu benda nak share dengan you all. And this benda actually, what inspires me to do this video is because of my kids. And myself lah. So we are in this era where most of our kids have gadgets, right? In school, it's unavoidable. So at home, there will be at times where the children will fight over charging. Yes, in this household, we fight for the charger because my kids all have their own handphones, phone, iPad, and one of the days, all of their batteries run flat. So what happens? They will be fighting over the charger. So I come across this product lah. Apparently, it can charge many gadgets at one time. And it's different gadget lah. You can charge your Android, you can charge your iPhone or iPad, and you can also charge your doorbell camera, which uses the micro USB. Want to know what it is? Introducing this silky fast 3-in-1 with a charging cable. So one good thing about this is you can use any of the adapters which has the USB plug and then just plug it in, and then you can charge 3 devices at one go. We have the micro and we have the XC, and then we also have the lightning cable. Not only that, although it charges 3 different devices at one go, it has fast charging also. It is wear resistant and not easy to break because of the braided cable. Who doesn't like gold and black, right? Not only is this useful for charging, it is also useful for data transfer at the same time. You can actually transfer from information from your laptop through your iPhone, Android, or other Type-C devices. And the data transfer speeds up to 480 Mbps. Huh? What you say? Short? No lah, it's 1.2 meters long, don't worry. And it's only $9.90. You get it from my yellow bag lah. Okay, and then you test and see how, okay? Now, my problem and my children's problem is solved. How about yours?